students, last lecture we finished 108, 109 we will discuss now. Power, surface tension and Planck's constant are arranged so that dimensions of time in their dimensional formula are in the ascending order, then which of the following is correct? So, power is there, surface tension is there, Planck's constant is there. Power dimensional formula is what? P is equal to mL square T power minus 3. That is the dimensional formula for power. Next, surface tension dimensional formula m T power minus 2. And Planck's constant dimensional formula m L square T power minus 1. mL square T power minus 1 is the dimensional formula for that. Then arrange them in the ascending order for considering the time dimensions. So here time dimensions will be T power minus 3. Next greater value T power minus 2. Next greater value will be T power minus 1. So what is the order? P, T, H. Arrange this P, T, H in the order of increasing order of dimensional formula, dimensions of time they are asking. So here T power minus 3 will be minimum. Next T power minus 2. Next T power minus 1. So 109 it will be 8. Next 110. 110. Planck's constant has the dimensions of Planck's constant, and which will have the same dimensions means angular momentum. They will have same dimensions. Planck's constant, what is the dimension? Not 110. Yes, first. Next exercise, it will be first question. Planck's constant dimensional formula mL square T power minus 1. Next, energy dimensional formula mL square T power minus 2. Linear momentum dimensional formula mL T power minus 1. That is the dimensional formula of linear momentum. Momentum that is modified. Linear momentum. Next, work. Dimensional formula mL square T power minus 2. Next, angular momentum. Angular momentum dimensional formula mL square T power minus 1. So H and this one, this option will have same dimensions. Okay, mL square T power minus 1. So Planck's constant and angular momentum will have same dimensions. Next, second question. Units of Stefan's constant is how much? Stefan's law is what means E is equal to sigma T power 4. That is Stefan's law. Okay. Next, E means what here? heat energy emitted per unit area per unit time is equal to sigma T power 4. Heat energy emitted per unit area per unit time, that will be equal to sigma T power 4. Sigma is equal to Q by A T power 4. Okay. So Q, what we will get here is ml square T power minus 2. A value will be L square. T value will be T. This capital T value will be K power 4. L square will cancel. M T power minus 3, K power minus 4 will be the answer for this. Clear? What is the dimensional formula of Stefan's constant? No, they are asking unit here. Wait. Dimensional formula is M T power minus 3, K power minus 4. Now wait, they are asking dimensions here. Units here. Okay, what to do? Here, this is joule. Heat energy unit will be joule. Area will be meter square. Time will be second. This is Kelvin. Okay. Joule, meter square, second, K power 4. Joule per second will be watt. So watt, meter square, K also watt, meter inverse, meter power minus 2, K power minus 4. That will be the answer there. So second, it will be C. Okay. Next. Third, dimensions of EMF in the MKS value is how much? EMF means potential difference. Potential difference dimensions is how much? So V is equal to W by Q formula. Work done to bringing unit positive charge from infinity to a point in the electric field is called electric potential at that point. Electric potential formula V is equal to W by Q. Okay, you calculate. W value will be equal to ml square T power minus 2. Q value will be equal to AT. So this value ml square T power minus 3 A power minus 1. Okay, that is the dimensional formula for that. ml square T power minus 2. Here they are asking in terms of Q, remember, not A. Then you do one thing. Here directly we can write it as Q. Small q, dimensions will be capital Q, like that if we can represent, but that system we are not using now. Of course we can represent like that. So ml square T power minus 2, Q power minus 1, that will be the answer here. So third it will be D. ml square T power minus 2, Q power minus 1. Next, fourth. Candela is the unit of electric intensity, luminous intensity, sound intensity, none of the above. Luminous intensity will be the answer for it. Fourth, it will be B. Next, 5. The dimension formula of relative density. Relative density means density of the object by density of water. That will be called as the relative density. So, two densities ratio, that is, it is not having any units and dimensions. So, it is a dimensionless quantity. Okay. So, question number 5 you see, relative density. Relative density means density of the body by density of water. So it is the ratio between two densities. So it is not having any dimensions and no units. So fifth, it will be D. Dimension less. That will be the answer for it. Okay. Question number 6. What they are asking. The dimensional formula for Young's modulus is. The dimensional formula for Young's modulus is. Young's modulus dimensional formula. Y is equal to Young's modulus formula you write down, stress by strain. Okay. Modulus of elasticity is of 3 types. Young's modulus, rigidity modulus and bulk modulus. All will have the same dimensional formulas. Basic formula is stress by strain. So here stress dimensional formula m L power minus 1 T power minus 2. Strain dimensional formula m L power 0 T power 0. So this value m L power minus 1 T power minus 2. Okay. So that is the dimension formula. 6th it will be first option. Clear? Next, 7th. The unit of permittivity of free space is what? Permittivity of free space, what is the unit? Here one charge is there. Here another charge is there. If these two are like charges, they will repel with each other. If these two are unlike charges, they will attract with each other. Okay. So if charges are of two types, positive charge and negative charge. If it is positive, it is also positive, or if it is negative, it is also of negative. They will repel with each other. Okay. If one is positive and another is negative, they will attract with each other. Okay. The force of attraction between two charges, the force of attraction or repulsion between 2 point charges is given by the formula F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. If these charges are separated by a distance of R in vacuum, F value will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. If this is not air or vacuum, then we have to use 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by R square. Epsilon and epsilon naught are called permittivity of vacuum, permittivity of medium epsilon, permittivity of vacuum means epsilon naught. They will have same dimensions. So that is the concept behind this. Okay, when two charges are separated by a distance r in the air, F value will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by r square. Then epsilon naught is equal to 1 by 4 pi f Q1 Q2 by r square. Okay. Then try to substitute the dimensional formulas. You will get the answer here. This value will be 80. This value will be 80. F value n L t power minus 2 into L square. Okay, then epsilon naught is equal to m power minus 1 L power minus 3 t power 4 a square. So dimensional formula of permittivity of vacuum, what is the formula? M power minus 1 L power minus 3 t power 4 a square. That is the dimensional formula of epsilon naught. Unit you write down. This is the dimension formula. If you want to write the unit, what will comes here? This is Coulomb square. 4 pi constant. F means Newton. R square means meter square. So Coulomb square per Newton meter square. That will be the unit. Okay. Coulomb square per Newton meter square. Seventh it will be C. Next, 8. Understanding this one? 8 what they are asking C. Dimensions of universal gravitational constant. You know what is the dimension formula? M power minus 1 LU t power minus 2. G is equal to F d square by M1 M2. This is ML t power minus 2 into L square by MM. So M power minus 1 LQ t power minus 2. That will be the answer for that. 8, it will be 8. Next, 9th. The velocity of a particle at time t is given by v is equal to at plus b by t plus c, where a, b and c are constants. The dimensions of a, b and c are respectively what? See what they are asking. Question number 9. The velocity of a particle at time t is given by v is equal to at plus b by t plus c, where a, b, c are constants. The dimensions of a, b and c are respectively what? According to principle of homogeneity, what will happen? V value, at dimensional formula, b by t plus c dimensional formula, all will be same. Okay, here we are adding this to the t plus c. They will have same dimensions. Then c is equal to what will happen? T. So dimensions of c is t. Clear? These two are adding, so they will have same dimensions. Next, b by t plus c. This one will have same dimensions. So t plus c means tt. So again it is t. B is equal to V into T. V dimensional formula will be how much? LT power minus 1 into T. This value will be L. V dimensions will be L. V AT. So AT is equal to V. Then A is equal to V by T. L T power minus 1 by T. So this value L T power minus 2. So A value will be L T power minus 2. B value will be L. C value will be T. Okay. So dimensions of A, B, C. L T power minus 2. L T. So what is the answer for this one? 9. It will be A. Clear? Next, 10th. The magnetic moment has a dimension of magnetic moment. Magnetic moment dimensional formula m into 2L. Small m into 2L, that value will be equal to capital M. Small m dimensional formula will be AL. Length dimensional formula will be L. So this is equal to AL square. Okay. So magnetic moment dimensional formula L square A or AL square. Magnetic moment means if you take any bar magnet. Bar magnet will have two poles. One is south pole and another will be north pole. Okay. Those poles will have pole strength small m, and the length between them we are representing it as 2L. That is called length of the magnet. Small m into 2L, pole strength dimensional formula will be AL. Length means 2 is a constant, length will be L. So this value AL square, 10th it will be B. Next, 11th. Dimensions of resistance in an electric circuit in terms of mass, length, time that is capital T, and the electric current I would be. Okay. So express the dimensions of resistance. What is meant by resistance? When electric current is flowing through a wire. A wire is there, electric current is flowing through the wire. That wire will try to oppose this current. That property will be called as the resistance. The opposition created by the wire to electric current. When electric current is passing through the wire, that will be called electric resistance. Electric resistance formula R is equal to V by I. V will be called potential difference. I is the current. So V value will be W by Q into I. Okay. Then substitute the dimensional formulas. What we will get? Here work done dimensional formula ml square T power minus 2. This is AT. I means A. We can use I, we can use A, anything. And the answer they give, we will also use I here. So this is IT. This is I. So what we will get? M L square T power minus 3 I power minus 2. ML square T power minus 3 I power minus 2. 11th it will be D. Clear? Next, 12th question, go to 12th. Tomorrow, under any circumstances, this chapter will complete, and day after tomorrow onwards, we will start motion in the straight line. Okay? Next, question number 12. Error in the measurement of the radius of a sphere is 2%. Error in the determination of volume of the sphere is how much? Okay, so delta R by R into 100, they given it as 2. So percentage error in the measurement of radius, delta R by R into 100 is equal to 2. Percentage error in the measurement of volume is how much? So here B is equal to 4 by 3 pi R cube. So delta V by V into 100 is equal to 3 into delta R by R into 100. 4 by 3 pi will be constant. V proportional to R cube. Delta V by V into 100 is equal to 3 into delta R by R into 100. Delta R by R into 100 is equal to how much? 2. So this will be 3 into 2. This value will be equal to 6%. 12th, it will be B. Next, 13. Which two of the following 5 physical parameters have the same dimensions? Okay, 5 quantities are given. In that, 2 quantities are having the same dimensions. What are that quantities? Okay, yes, see, energy density. Energy density means energy by volume. Energy dimensional formula how much? mL square T power minus 2. Volume dimensional formula L cube. So this value m L power minus 1 T power minus 2. That is energy density dimensional formula. Next, refractive index. Velocity of light in vacuum by velocity of light in medium. Velocity of light in vacuum means LT power minus 1. Velocity of light in medium means that is also LT power minus 1. So 1 will come means m power 0, L power 0, T power 0. It is not having any dimensions. Third one will be electric current. Printing mistake, electric constant, not electric current, that is. Electric current is a fundamental quantity. Its dimensional formula will be E. Next, Young's modulus. Is equal to stress by strain. Stress m L power minus 1 P power minus 2. Strain is dimensionless. So this value m L power minus 1 T power minus 2. Next, E. magnetic field can write in different manners. B is equal to F by small m. Remember here, small m is not mass, that is pole strength. So this value ml t power minus 2 by al. So m t power minus 2 a power minus 2. Now tell me, what is the answer then? Among these two quantities will have same dimensions. What are the quantities? Energy density, Young's modulus. These two will have same dimensions. So A and D, so option will be C. 13, it will be C. Simple question. So we have a next. 14th, question number 14. What they are asking? Dimensions of a physical quantity are given by m power a, l power b, t power c. Then the physical quantity will be pressure dimensional formula. M l power minus 1, p power minus 2. If A is equal to 1, B is equal, then with this what we have to compare? M power A, L power B, T power C. A1, B minus 1, C minus 2, then that quantity will be pressure. First option will be the correct answer. That remaining also check that velocity, L t power minus 1 means A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, C is equal to minus 1. So first second option will be B will be wrong. Why? Small b is equal to 1 should be there. They give small b is equal to 0. Acceleration, L t power minus 2 means A 0, B 1. They gave B minus 1 in the C. Option C you see. So that is also wrong. Fourth one, FOR for is there. That is not for force, that is force. Dimensional formula ml t power minus 1. So what we will get? A value 0, B value minus 1, C value minus 2. Not matching. A, B values are 1 at 1. So they gave A is equal to 0, B is equal to minus 1. Both are wrong. 14th it will be E. Clear? Next 15th. Dimensions of 1 by 2 epsilon naught E square is what? Epsilon naught will be permittivity of free space. E will be electric field. Okay? 1 by 2 epsilon naught E square. Already you know the dimensions, just substitute that dimensions to get the value. Epsilon naught will be permittivity of the vacuum. Permittivity of the vacuum dimensional formula, if you see, epsilon naught dimensional formula, how much? n power minus 1, n power minus 3, t power 4, a square. Next, electric field. Electric field intensity, if we consider ml t power minus 3, ml t power minus 3, a power minus 1, whole square. This is epsilon naught value, this is E value. Electric field intensity, capital E means this is. Then what we will get? M power minus 1, M square means M. L power minus 3, L square means L power minus 1. T power 4, T power minus 6 means T power minus 2. This means M L power minus 1, T power minus 2. Actually, this is the formula 1 by 2 epsilon naught E square is the energy density of an electromagnetic wave. So, energy density means energy per unit volume. We will get the same value here. So, M L power minus 1 T power minus 2. Okay. So, question number 15. It will be B. Clear? So, if you observe this chapter, what you can understand is, without knowing the dimensional formulae, you can't do this chapter. Okay? Here what you have to do, remember the dimensional formula and also remember the formula for that quantity. Remember the formula, remember the dimensional formula. If 4 are there, if you take electricity quantities, if you take magnetism quantities, 4 will come for you. If it is difficult for you, remember, at least remember the formula. From that you can easily derive the quantities in the span of seconds. For example, permittivity is there, epsilon naught, permittivity. Here 4 are there, na powers. If you can remember all that 4, remember that nothing wrong is there. At least how that is gained. F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. At least you remember this formula. Then easily epsilon naught is equal to, then what will happen? 1 by 4 pi F Q1 Q2 by R square. So AT ML T power minus 2 L square. So N power minus 1 L power minus 3 T power 4 A square, like this. If you are feeling difficult in remembering these powers, 4 are there, 3 quantities easily you can remember. Then you remember that formula. B is equal to F by M, magnetic induction. If you are not remembering this, F by M, at least you remember the formula. F value ML T power minus 2, this is AL. So, M T power minus 2, A power minus 2. Like this. That is the way. To get command on this topic, you have to memorize the formula. You have to memorize the dimensional formula. Here all the 11th and 12th class physics, how many physical quantities will come for you? All we wrote come in this chapter only. Okay? Definitely some quantities, their meaning also you don't know. But I will try to introduce that quantities to you. Then broad explanation relating to all the quantities will come in these 2 years. Understanding? Broad, what is meant by self-inductance, you may don't know. What is meant by mutual inductance, you may don't know. But we will explain that at the time you will get clear idea about it. Okay? Next. After finishing of this, then question number 16 you see what they are asking. Dimensions of magnetic permeability is what? Dimensions of magnetic permeability. What is the dimension? So, charges we discussed. When two charges are separated by some distance, force between them will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square. In the same manner, if two magnetic poles will be two types, south pole and north pole. If two magnetic poles are separated by a distance r, then if they are like poles, repulsive force will be there between them. If they are unlike forces, unlike poles, attractive force will be there between them. The attractive or repulsive force between the two poles is directly proportional to product of their charges, product of the pole strengths, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. From that, F is equal to mu naught by 4 pi m1 m2 by d square we will get. Once again see, two poles are there. Their pole strengths are m1 and m2. They are separated by a distance d. If those are like poles, repulsive force will be there between them. If those are unlike forces, unlike poles, attractive force will be there between them. The force of attraction or repulsion between them is directly proportional to their pole strengths and inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. From that, this formula will come. Here mu naught is called permeability, magnetic permeability. Okay. From this you can calculate now. Mu naught is equal to 4 pi f d square by m1 m2. 4 pi constant. F ml t power minus 2. D will be L square. M1 M2 M1 M2 AL. So ML t power minus 2 A power minus 2. ML t power minus 2 A power minus 2, that is the 16. It will be t. Clear? Next, 17. What they are asking, see. So what is the dimension formula of this? ML t power minus 2 A power minus 2. 17. The density of a material in CGS system of units is 4 gram per centimeter cube. Modify. Unit gram per centimeter cube. In a system of units where length is 10 centimeter, mass is 100 gram, the value of density of material is, this problem will be simple and cakewalk for you. You did so many models on this. Try to do that. 17. N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. So here N1 will be 4. Density ML mass by volume, na? So this will be N2 L2 power minus 3. Then N2 is equal to 4 M1 by M2 L1 by L2 power minus 3. Here mass will be gram. Here it will be 100 gram. So 4 gram by 100 gram. Length, if we consider, this will be centimeter, this will be 10 centimeter, whole power minus 3. Okay. So this will be 4 into 1 by 100. This is 10 power minus 3 in the denominator. It will goes to 10 cube. This will be 40. Okay. 17th, it will be B. Next. 18. What is the dimensions of magnetic field? Magnetic field is there. Magnetic field, that's it. What is the dimensions of magnetic field in terms of Coulomb? MLT they are asking. In terms of Coulomb, what is the dimensions of magnetic field? See, magnetic field dimensional formula is what? B is equal to F by M. F value will be ML power minus 2. This will be AL. Then L will cancel. This M T power minus 2, A power minus 1. We know Coulomb is equal to A into T. So I am writing this one like this, M T power minus 1. T power minus 1, A power minus. T power minus 2 is there, na? I wrote T power minus 1, T power minus 1. So this M T power minus 1, AT power minus 1. AT means Coulomb. So this value M T power minus 1, Coulomb per minus 1. M T power minus 1, Coulomb per minus 1. So second option will be the answer. B will be the answer. What is the answer they gave? M power 1, L power 0. We are not writing that. T power minus 1, C power minus 1. This is same. So that is the answer for it. Okay. So this is the answer. B will be the option for it. Next, 19. Dimensions of mu naught epsilon naught power minus 1 by 2. 19th. Mu naught epsilon naught power minus 1 by 2 means this value will be equal to 1 by square root of mu naught epsilon naught. Okay, actually this is the formula for velocity of light in vacuum. This value will be equal to C. Velocity of light in vacuum. What is the velocity of light dimensional formula? L power minus 1. So what is the answer for this? L power minus 1. Or we can substitute the dimensions of mu naught and epsilon naught. You will get the same answer. Magnetic permeability. You can directly do like this, or mu naught dimensional formula will be M L T power minus 2 A power minus 2. epsilon naught dimensional formula will be m power minus 1 L power minus 3 t power 4 a square. So m power minus 1 a power minus 2 a power minus 2 will vanish. Then what we will get here, 1 by square root of L power minus 2 t square. If you write this one, remove this square root, L power minus 1 t, L power minus 1 into t. So this value L t power minus 1. Same we will get. Actually that is a formula. C is equal to 1 by root mu naught epsilon naught is the formula to calculate the velocity of light in vacuum. So dimension formula of mu naught epsilon naught power minus 1 by 2 will be L t power minus 1. Next, question number 20. The dimensional formula of delta Q, comma, heat supplied to the system. See 2012, 2000, at the time how the questions are there. Easy questions only. Anyone can write what is the dimensional formula of heat. See the questions, dimensional formula of permeability, question number 16. So like that questions will be there, easy and direct questions will be there. Now gradually depth of the questions are changing, little bit they are increasing. 20, heat energy dimensional formula will be ml square t power minus 2. Heat is a form of energy. Energy dimensional formula and heat dimensional formula will be same only, that is ml square t power minus 2. Next, 21st small correction is there. You do that one. See the question. In an experiment, 4 quantities A, B, C and D are measured with percentage errors 1%, 2%, 3%, 3% is missing right, 1%, 2%, comma 3% and 4% respectively. P is calculated as follows. P is equal to A cube B square by CD percentage. CD percentage error in P is how much? Individual measurement errors they gave. What is the total error they are asking? What is the question? P is equal to A cube B square by CD delta P by P into 100 3 into delta A by A into 100 2 into delta B by B into 100 plus delta C by C into 100 plus delta D by D into 100. Delta A by A into 100, how much they gave? 1%. So 3 into 1 plus delta B by B into 100, how much that is? 2%. 2 into 2. Delta C by C into 100, that is 3. Delta D by D into 100, that will be 4. 3 into 1 will be 3 plus 4, 7, 3, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. So this value will be 14. 21 it will be 8. Clear? With this today we will stop now. Remaining up to 33 are there. We will finish this chapter by tomorrow. Day after tomorrow onwards, we will start motion in the straight line.